Alright, here's the video of what we got. Car is brand new. Hasn't been operated yet. Controller, not a scratch on it. Out of the box, as you can see. Okay, so it's not, so that's pretty good. This one, as you can see, the wobble in the wheel, it's just not good at all. This looks very loose there. I don't know what's going on there. Other than that, the rest looks pretty good. I'll show you how it runs without taking my arm off. So it's not straight either. The wheels, they don't sit square. This left one's sticking out to the left. It just doesn't, it won't straighten up. Like, that needs to be straight to be in line with the other one. It's just not straight, but the fact that it's so loose, the whole wheel just feels like it's going to fall off. But it's actually on tight, so that's good. Not over tight, but just it's. Whereas all the other ones, they're just a little play, but they're all firm for what it's worth. But that is not firm at all. Just wobbling around. Yeah, it's like the drive gear slips. Yeah, it's in good condition, but just that is not right. It's going to fall off and something's going to break in here. I don't know what's going on with it. So yeah, not very happy because my son can't use it. So.